Hello everyone, my name is Pragya and today is day 7 of my English learning video. First of all, thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. It really means a lot to me. Today I want to talk about why learning English is one of the most powerful decisions of my life. English is not just a language. It is a bridge which connects people from different countries, cultures and background. In today's modern world, English has become a global language. It is spoken and understood in many parts of the world. Learning English is no longer an option, rather it has become a necessity. English play a very important role in communication. For example, if you meet someone who is from different country, your native language may be different, but both of you can communicate with the help of English language. English helps people to communicate ideas, beliefs and thoughts. English makes communication easier and more effective. It also plays a very important role in education because most of the educational resources of the world are available in English language. Students who know English can learn more, can explore more, and also they have better opportunities. English also helps the students who want to study abroad because most of the international universities use English as their medium to teach. When time comes to careers and job opportunities, English play a crucial role here also because many companies prefer to employees who can speak fluent English. English opens the door to better job opportunities. With the help of English language, people are working in multinational companies. They are growing their career. However, learning English is not always easy. It takes time. It is a gradual process. If you also want to learn English, you need to be obsessed with it. Then only one can develop a strong English speaking skills. English is not always about words and grammars. It is about opportunities. It is about confidence and it is about building better future. At last, I want to say that English play a very important role in today's skills. With the help of English, one can develop confidence, one can grow, communicate and succeed. Everyone should try to speak in English and practice it regularly. So, try to speak in English, try to get out of your comfort zone so that you can also speak English fluently and start learn with me. Remember, it does not matter wherever you start. What matters is you start and never give up. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you tomorrow on day 8 of my English learning journey. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.